Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is for Minolta AF-SV 35mm film camera. This camera is going to be fully tested on this video, as you will see. These are the rare talking cameras, which will be shown. I hope you enjoyed the video. This camera is on ebay.co.uk, username JAKEJIM. If you would like to purchase this camera. This is the original case, which is in excellent condition. The camera is in near mint condition, does have a slight little mark here. Original wrist strap. As you will notice, a lot of these cameras don't come with the extra attachment which attaches to the tripod hole here, as shown. This is to give the front lens better stability. As you will notice, the lens on the camera is in fantastic condition. It has no scratches and no fungus. The ASA ring moves from 25 right up to 1000, as I will try and show you here. This is the timer button, so when pressing that and pressing the shutter release, you will see a red light working perfectly. Also, the viewfinder is nice and clear. Inside, you will see the autofocus light working perfectly. And if your images are too close, you will get the two lights with the red light and the green light. There is a flash option. You will see a green light up here to tell you when the flash is ready, like so. Ready to take a flash picture. The talking is here, which you can have off or on. If I press it on, you will notice when I press the shutter release button,
check distance. Check distance.
safe distance.
Check distance.
When also trying to fire with the camera, you will also hear
Long film. Check distance. Long film.
You see, so because it has no film in it. So I will load a film into this camera. As you now see, it is on 1. So wait for the green light again.
Check distance.
Safe distance. That is because I'm too close.
Check distance.
there you have it. The shutter counter is counting perfectly. The camera is taking its required shots. The timer is working perfectly. Hold on, I'm too close again. It's quite awkward to take a video with being so close. I will turn this away because the flash will go like that. So thank you for watching my video of this camera. Add a like or subscribe. Thank you for watching.